Actually, you know what? I'm leaving.
Oh, so I'm just gonna pay the bill?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, because this was your idea in the first place.
Oh my god.
What? What?
Remember that restaurant we went to last week? The one where we took those funny photos?
Yeah.
They just commented on our post. They said we could get a free meal next time we go in.
Oh, cool.
We could make something of this, you know?
What? Out of social media?
Yeah. I mean, everyone always says we take the cutest photos and that we're such an adorable couple. Why not, you know, milk it a little?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. Okay, worst comes to worst. We get a bunch of cute photos of us. Right here, pose. Nice. I like that.
My God, you're Shane and Lindsay. The photos you did of this place were amazing. I'm such a huge fan.
Of us?
Yeah, dude. You know what? Let me make sure that they know to comp your mail, okay?
Okay, thank you. Okay, you have to admit that was pretty cool. We have a fan.
All this for free?
See, that's what I was telling you. I think it'll be good.
Ready?
Hold on.
All right.
Okay.
Hey guys, Lindsay just cooked up her mom's favorite recipe, and she's the best cook ever. Can't
Okay,
wait
you're
to
gonna
try.
Ready?
Oh, wow, that was incredible!
Told you.
You guys have to check out our recipe. Click the link in our bio.
Was it good?
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, no, I can't. I'm gonna throw this out, actually.
Yeah.
Did you get good footage?
I think that worked, right?
Yeah, this is disgusting. Guys, you won't believe this. I have the sweetest boyfriend ever. Shane got me a present today.
Just because it's Tuesday.
Stay tuned for our next story to see what's inside. Okay.
Why would you say that?
Oh, Shane, you gotta put something in here. I can't, like, have it empty.
Yeah, but they don't need to know what it is. Why did you even say that?
Hey guys, so we're throwing a birthday party for our best friend Emma, and we're about to surprise her with these gorgeous cupcakes from Lemon and Lime Kitchen.
Oh, just look at them. Thank you
So
again,
pretty.
Lemon and Lime, for sponsoring this ad. If you guys haven't checked them out, you should. They're amazing. Look at these. Wait, let me record.
Okay, yeah, you take it. Okay. Okay,
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Oh,
Happy
wait,
birthday.
stop.
Wait, can you just use yours? Just use yours. Okay. Come on.
Hold
Okay, hold on.
on. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, Shane needs to get photos. This is sponsored.
What are you guys doing?
What?
This is my birthday and all you two seem to care about is getting content for your channel.
Come on, are you serious?
Wait, we got these cupcakes for free because of our channel. I thought you'd be a little more grateful.
You two have really changed.
Okay, wait, stop filming. No, stop. What are we gonna do? You can't wear that.
Why not?
Because you wore it in the post last week. Don't you have anything else? All right, fine. Let's just go. Okay.
Okay, I mean, you saw all the comments on it last time, right?
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, but especially to my love here, Lindsay.
Oh, Shane, you're the sweetest. Happy Valentine's, everyone. This is ridiculous.
What?
This whole thing. You know, it's Valentine's Day, and we're pretending to be happy, but Shane, we're not happy.
Just calm down, all right? It's
No,
not that big.
calm down. Are you happy?
Is anyone
Are
here
you-
happy? Is anyone here happy? This is
Maybe.
the dumbest holiday ever. You wanted a free meal. That's what we're here for.
No, Shane, no, I didn't.
Let's
I wanted
just
to
get
actually...
our free meal and then leave.
No,
That's
I don't.
it.
I don't even want the free meal anymore. In fact, I'm leaving.
Are you kidding me? Lindsay!
Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Well, that's why I wanted to celebrate, okay? That's such a big deal. It's stupid. It's for Instagram. Right, this is stupid.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my no!
No. We gotta do. What are we gonna do?
I don't want to do this anymore.
What are you talking about? We worked so hard for this. We just hit 300,000 followers, Lindsay.
No. I'm done.
Done? What do you... Lindsay, come on, you know I love you.
I don't know that you do. I think you just love the idea of us.
This was your idea, Lindsay, from the beginning. I didn't want to be a part of it, okay? I was perfectly happy without any of this. And now you ruined it.
I ruined it? And you took no part in it? Is that what happened?
I didn't want to do it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize this was all my fault.
You-
That you were fine with me
I didn't even
before.
have Instagram before this.
Well, now you do, and you're dealing with it. Okay? Can't do it anymore. Shane? Oh my God. It's great to see you.
Wow, Lindsay, you too. Do you work here?
Yeah. About 3 months now. I like it. Helps me stay grounded.
That's awesome.
So,
Yeah, so do you want to help me pick one?
yeah, sure.
In today's world, almost everyone is using social media. We wake up to it. We eat with it. We sleep next to it. But in all of this, have you noticed something strange? The more we scroll, the less we feel happy. The more we connect online, the more we feel disconnected in real life. This is the silent damage of social media. It shows you fake smiles, filtered happiness, and edited success. And without even knowing, you begin to compare your life with others. You start thinking, they are better. I am not enough. This creates anxiety, sadness, and even jealousy. And your peace starts fading away. Now look at your relationships. When was the last time you had a real, deep conversation without checking your phone? How many times have your children, your partner, or your parents felt ignored because of a screen? This is not just happening to one person, it's a global reality. Families are breaking, friendships are ending. Love is being lost, all because we give more attention to a virtual world than the real one. Islam teaches us balance. The Prophet Muhammad said, "A sign of a good Muslim is to leave what does not concern him." Yet, we spend hours on videos, gossip, and posts that don't bring us closer to Allah or to the people who love us. Yes, social media can be good. It spreads knowledge, it connects people far away. It can build communities, but only when used with wisdom. The danger is when it takes over our heart, our time, and our relationships. So what should we do? Set a daily time limit. Don't use your phone during meals or family time. Follow pages that uplift your faith and mental health. Delete anything that causes anxiety, jealousy, or sin. Remember that your value is not in likes, followers, or filters. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." So leave what breaks your peace, and return to what builds your soul. You deserve real happiness, real love, and a peaceful mind. Don't let a screen steal that from you.